Choreb Beruach, Sword of the Spirit. Interpreted and narrated by Wendy. Yuchanan, John, chapter 14. Let your heart not be troubled. You believe in all, believe in me also. In my Father's house are many mansions. If not, I would have told you. I go to prepare a place for you. And if I go and prepare a place for you, I will come again and receive you to myself, that where I am, there you may be also. Moreover, you know where I am going, and you know the way. Thomas said to him, Adun, we do not know where you are going, so how can we know the way? Yahushua said to him, I am the way, the truth, and the life. No man comes to the Father but by me. If you know me, you know my Father. Therefore, from now on, you know him and have seen him. Philip said to him, Adun, show us the Father, and it will be enough. Yahushua said to him, I have been with you a long time. Do you still not know me, Philip? He who has seen me has seen the Father. So why do you say, show us the Father? Do you not believe that I am in the Father, and the Father is in me? The words that I speak to you, I do not speak from myself, but from the Father, who dwells in me. He does the works. Do you not believe that I am in him, and the Father is in me? Is it only because of the works that you believe? Truly I say to you, he who believes in me, the works that I do, he will do also, and he will do greater than these, because I go to my Father, and whatever you will ask in my name, that I will do, so that the Father may be glorified in the Son. If you will ask anything in my name, I will do it. If you love me, keep my commandments, and I will pray to the Father, and he will give you another Comforter, who will abide with you forever, the Spirit of truth, whom the world cannot accept, because it cannot see nor understand. But you will understand, for it dwells within you and will be with you. I will not leave you fatherless. I will come to you again. Yet a little while, and the world will see me no more. But you will see me, because I live. You will live also. During that day you will know that I am in my Father, and you in me, and I in you. He who has my commandments and keeps them, he is the one who loves me. Also, he who loves me will be loved by my Father, and I will love him, and will manifest myself to him. Yehuda asked him, not Ishkariot, Adun, how is it that you will manifest yourself to us, and not to the world? Yahushua answered and said to him, If a man loves me, he will keep my words, and my Father will love him, and we will come to him and make our abode with him. He who loves me will establish my words. Also, the word that you hear is not mine, but is from the Father who sent me. These things I have spoken to you, being present with you. But the Comforter, who is the Ruach Kodesh, whom the Father will send in my name, will teach you all things, and will bring all things to your remembrance, whatever I have said to you. Shalom I leave with you. My peace I give to you. I do not give like the world gives. Let your heart not be troubled, nor let it be afraid. You have heard me say to you, I will go away, but I will come to you. If you loved me, you would rejoice, because I go to the Father, and my Father is greater than me. And now I have told you before it happens, so that when it does come to pass, you might believe. After this, I will not talk with you much, because the prince of this world has already come and has nothing with me. But so that the world may know that I love the Father, he has given me a commandment. Therefore I do. Arise, let us go from here.